As we approach the end of the year, Google has released Android 13 globally, and it is now available for download on Pixel phones. Well, Samsung has also made One UI 5 available in public beta in several countries, including Korea, the United States, and India. The beta, which was initially only available for the Galaxy S22 series, has since been extended to the S21 series. One UI 5.0 on Samsung Galaxy phones is brimming with useful features, thanks to some interesting additions to the operating system. Are you excited to know more? Let's get moving. We will go over a slew of new features included in One UI 5.0, such as visual upgrades, stacked widgets, improved multitasking, and the 10 best changes that you need to be aware of. 1. Visual changes. While material design support was added to One UI 4.0, Samsung has now expanded the feature even further. One UI 5.0 updates the OS's wallpaper and style sections. Users can now choose from a large number of wallpaper color combination thanks to the color picker swatch. In comparison to last year, you now have the option of selecting one of 8 different dynamic themes based on your wallpaper. But wait, there's more. To spice up their experience, users can now choose from 8 different basic colors and 4 dual-tone color presets. Don't want to use a color palette at all? Simply turn it off using the new option in the section. 2. Efficient Wi-Fi. While connecting to wireless networks is convenient, there are times when you require detailed information about your network situation. This is where the new Intelligent Wi-Fi feature in One UI 5 comes into play. Intelligent Wi-Fi is a standalone section found in the Wi-Fi panel that opens up a plethora of different options for your connection. Some of these are consolidated options from other Wi-Fi options, but the majority of them are brand new. You can now see options such as prioritizing important data, switching to better Wi-Fi networks, and so on. 3. Call backgrounds. While call backgrounds are already available in One UI 4, the One UI 5 update adds the ability to customize individual call backgrounds. That is, instead of creating a global one, you can create unique backgrounds for each of your contacts. Backgrounds can range from simple images and video patterns to AR emojis and even custom videos created by you. People are understandably excited about this feature because it is the first time it is available on some Samsung phones. So, if you have any embarrassing videos of your friends, now is the time to show them off. 4. Redesigned notification panel. Among the slew of visual changes in One UI 5.0, notifications are another area that has received some attention. The notification shade now has a slightly different appearance, with larger app icons that stand out on their own. This makes it easier to sort through various app notifications. In addition, if you receive a series of notifications from a single app, the icons now stack beneath each other, creating a nice effect. The spacing between notification bubbles has also been increased in One UI 5, making them all feel more distinct. 5. Extended notification control. UI 5 has a nice feature for users who want to fine-tune where they receive app notifications. If you don't see notifications in the form of a badge on your lock screen, go to Notification Settings and check the boxes to disable them while leaving pop-ups open. This is a useful feature that provides users with a measure of privacy. 6. Better stacked widgets. One UI 5 adds an improvement in the form of easily stackable widgets similar to iOS. Instead of having to go through the widgets menu to add a smart widget, you can now simply drag and drop a widget of a similar size over another widget and it will stack. This also implies that you are not constrained to a single size. You can create a stack by dragging and dropping 2 isometric widgets. One UI 5 also lets you edit the stack by pressing and holding it to easily add and remove widgets. 7. Multitasking. With the seamless ability to drag and drop apps on either the top or bottom half of the screen to enable split screen mode, multitasking becomes a little easier in One UI 5.0. To open 2 apps at the same time, you no longer need to open the app switcher and select the split screen option. This works for all apps and is simple to use. Furthermore, Samsung Labs has introduced 2 new features. These new multitasking gestures make it easier to convert windows to pop-up floating windows or split screens. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and your app will scale to your drawn gesture. 8. Camera changes. One UI 5.0 includes a few welcome changes to the camera app. These aren't just for fun, they're also meant to help people become better mobile photographers. For starters, One UI 5.0 now includes the ability to watermark your photos directly from the app. Within the Camera app, you can now insert details such as the date, time, and model name, as well as any other text. When it comes to design, you have 3 font options and the ability to change the text alignment. The result is quite nice and useful for when you want to leave your mark on an image. 9. New setting options. A few changes have been made to the Settings app in One UI 5. The first is a new Connected Devices menu that appears below the Connections menu. The Connected Devices menu manages all of your phone's external connections in one location. This includes Quick Share settings, Galaxy Buds settings, Link to Windows, Samsung DX, Smart View, and even SmartThings. Perfect for managing all connections from a single location. 10. Various support users. Many users were dissatisfied with the fact that you couldn't share your Galaxy phone with others by switching to another account or the guest account. This has changed with One UI 5.0, as user accounts are now supported. Users can now add multiple users in the form of different profiles, which are hidden under Accounts and Backup. To switch between users, pull down the notification shade and select the Users icon. This One UI 5 feature had been missing for a long time, and we are glad to see it return, right? Well, with that said, what do you think about this video? For more exciting and informative videos, keep watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more.